The first method is to make soft-boiled eggs using an air fryer. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. I used 3 fresh chicken eggs. With just these familiar ingredients, you can make soft-boiled eggs with runny yolks right at home using an air fryer. Just preheat the pot for a few minutes to stabilize the temperature. Meanwhile, prepare the heat-resistant ceramic bowls. Add 3 tablespoons of filtered water to the bowl. Although this amount of water is small, it is very important because it helps maintain humidity. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and stir well. Gently crack each egg into the bowl, keeping the yolk intact. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Place the bowl in the pot. Adjust the temperature to around 160 to 170 degrees Celsius. After 5 to 6 minutes, you will have runny egg yolks. If you prefer a slightly thicker consistency, increase the cooking time to 7 to 8 minutes. When the eggs are still hot right out of the oven, make a small slit to let the golden yolk flow out. It tastes delicious with bread or hot rice. With just 3 eggs and your familiar air fryer, you can create a simple yet sophisticated dish. The great thing is that you have complete control over the time, and you don't have to stand around waiting or worry about the eggs spoiling. Try it now and feel the difference. Next, Fragrant steamed baked eggs. Gently tap a small hole in the top of the egg. Use chopsticks to stir inside to get all the eggs out into the bowl. Remember to keep the peel. Wash the eggshells thoroughly and let them dry. Strain the egg mixture through a sieve to remove any debris. Add a little sugar, salt. Add the pepper and stir well. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Pour the mixture back into each eggshell until it's almost full. Place in the pot and steam for about 30 minutes until solidified. After steaming, place it in the air fryer. For about 10 minutes at 140 degrees Celsius to create the characteristic aroma. Remember to turn it over regularly so the skin doesn't burn. Serve on a plate, accompanied by Vietnamese coriander and a lime pepper dipping sauce. Hot, fragrant baked eggs with perfectly absorbed seasonings. This is a very popular snack and also very easy to make at home. Another method I often use when the kids in my house don't like the yolk is to boil eggs with a uniformly yellow yolk. Mix the whites and yolks before boiling. Place an egg inside a long sleeve and tie both ends tightly. Rotate the egg continuously, then straighten the sleeve. Do this for about 8 minutes to allow the egg whites and yolks to mix together. Then boil the eggs until cooked. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Peel it off. The inside will have a beautiful, uniform pale yellow color. It also offers a unique and novel taste experience. The last method I used was placing the bowl in the air fryer and turning it on to heat both the bowl and the air fryer. This small step helps the eggs come into contact with the heat right from the start, resulting in more even and beautifully cooked eggs. Once the bowls are hot, remove them and crack an egg into each bowl. Add a little salt and ground pepper. Use a fork to gently whisk the eggs until well combined. Now for the fun part, adding the filling. Diced tomatoes. Bell peppers deseeded and diced. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Finely chopped onion. Finely chop the scallions. Add them to each bowl. Finally, sprinkle grated cheese directly on top to ensure the cheese spreads evenly over the surface. Using a fork, mix everything thoroughly in the bowl until the ingredients are well combined. Place the bowls back into the air fryer. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 minutes. When the lid is opened, the aroma of cooked eggs mixed with melted cheese fills the kitchen. It's irresistible. Arranged on a plate, each bowl of egg is golden yellow, bursting with color from the vegetables and fillings inside. Visually appealing, nutritious, and incredibly easy to make, this dish is sure to win over the whole family from the very first bite. Of the tips above, which one impressed you the most? Leave a comment below and let me know which one you liked best.